Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You start by confirming prerequisites and taking immediate action. Install Magic Core SDK and its CLI, then create a Python 3.9 plus virtual environment. Once done, pip install Magic Core Plus required ML libs like Torch and TorchVision to ensure runtime compatibility. Make sure you have the model artifact and config. YAML ready, and provision a GPU with at least 16 GB or a cloud instance. You'll be ready to run the first initialization command and register the model with the core service. You now focus on integrating the model into Magic Core and resolving middle complexities. First, convert to ONCs when needed using Torch. ONCs. Export because the core prefers a standardized graph for optimizations. Next, run Magic Core register with your ONCs and config to upload and index weights. This creates deployment artifacts. Once registered, run Magic Core validate to surface D-type or shape mismatches. If you see errors, adjust the exported ops or update config input shapes and re-register until validation passes. You finish by deploying, testing, and handling common failures. Deploy with Magic Core deploy specifying replicas and GPU count, then invoke the model using the CLI or REST endpoint to run sample inputs. Measure latency and adjust batch size or mixed precision if needed to improve throughput. If deployment fails or returns runtime errors, inspect Magic Core logs, confirm SDK and runtime versions match, and verify GPU memory and input tensor shapes. One key troubleshooting tip: mismatched ops or D-type differences are the most frequent culprit. Re-export with explicit D-types.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.